Alright, today I want to show you this Tesla Gen 3 kickstand type Starlink receiver, but this is a pole connector. Actually pretty darn cool. Opening it up and taking a look at it. It's nice as heavy duty metal and with multiple screws in it here. So I believe it looks just like, I bought the Tesla one, and I'm going to compare that in just a second, but I wanted a second one for my house. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me so I can do a compare and install and a review on it. But my first impression is this is nice and heavy duty, and it's going to work really well on my house, so I don't have to move the mounts between my house and my RV. And then you can see it comes with an additional set of screws and a hex wrench and some double-sided tape to keep it, probably keep the pole from rattling in there. So let's go get the other one and do a compare. Alright, let's do a compare right here. This is the new Starlink adapter I just got. This is the official Starlink one that I paid a lot more for than this one sells for. So this one just clicks up and slides out. I'm always trying to be really careful with it. So that was, you can hold on that, and then the cords come out so you can see the way this one works that I bought from Starlink. And then in comparison, you can see that's on the same angle. And this one goes in, and it looks like, okay, so I got that figured out. So what I had to do is make these screws just completely flush, and then it looks like this slides right in. And then I can snug these screws up. But that seems really solid. That seems really nice, like I'm not going to worry about this coming off. Although, important safety tip, I need to put the cable in before I tighten that up. But it seems like it's going to lock in and hold the dish nice and secure. So let's see what we get to do as far as putting the cable in. I can have the cable come down through the pipe or just straight across like that. I think I'll do it straight across like that for the RV. And then just connect the cable, slide that right back up and lock it in. And that is going to hold the dish at the proper angle, and it looks like it's going to hold up in the wind and the weather, and it's got a nice fit and finish on it. Alright, so here I've got an old satellite antenna mount that was on my roof, and I'm using it for my Starlink, and I had to screw these out way almost to the complete end. Now this is going to go down over the top. I'm going to make sure and connect the cable, put my Starlink on this, and see if I can get it aligned and tighten it back up. Alright, well that was pretty easy. You can see I've got the screws in there. I don't need my old mounting screw, and it's nice and tight as far as that goes.